Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on Nintendo Switch with a keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need to connect your USB keyboard and mouse directly to the USB ports on your Nintendo Switch dock. Make sure your Switch is properly docked and in TV mode, as this is essential for the wired connection to function. Once connected, you can quickly check if your peripherals are recognized by attempting to navigate the Switch's main menu using them. This simple setup gets you ready for enhanced gameplay. Once your peripherals are connected, launch Minecraft on your Switch. Head into the game's settings menu, usually accessible from the main title screen or during gameplay. Look for the controller or keyboard and mouse section within the settings. Here, you can fully customize your keybinds, assigning actions to specific keys on your keyboard. You can also adjust mouse sensitivity, finding the perfect balance for precise aiming and movement. Take your time to fine-tune these settings for optimal comfort and control. Playing Minecraft with a keyboard and mouse on your Switch offers significant advantages. You'll immediately notice improved precision, which is incredibly beneficial for intricate building projects and accurate combat. Inventory management and crafting become much faster and more intuitive, allowing you to quickly access and organize your items. This setup can provide a competitive edge, especially in multiplayer games where quick reactions and precise movements are key. It truly transforms the gameplay experience, making it feel more like the PC version. Before you dive in, there are a few important things to remember. While Minecraft fully supports this setup, not all Nintendo Switch games offer keyboard and mouse compatibility. Always check game-specific settings. Also, ensure your Switch dock has enough available USB ports for both your keyboard and mouse. If you find yourself short on ports, a powered USB hub can be a great solution, expanding your connectivity options. Enjoy your enhanced Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.